I want to give you guys an update. I'm trying to get back to my mama's house, and the water has come up. It's come up just as we expected, if you can ever expect this. Here's my situation. Our homes are back there. This is the high ground up here. You know it's bad. You know it's gonna be bad when the high ground is underwater. And then when I get to a stronger connection closer to my mama's house in the back, I'll go back live. But the shock of this is really, I'm having to tippy-toe to make it back there, because you see my situation. If the water gets inside this wetsuit, I could very easily drown out here. But I made it through what I presume to be the deepest part, and our little neighborhood is gone. It's gone. There is a small boat. I have a pirogue canoe where I'm going. I'm going to get in that. I got a battery in there. I got an inverter. Keep my phone charged up, and I'm going to bring you as much of this as I can. Just take a look. I'm going to get a panoramic shot here. This is what you call the long road home, folks. Springfield, Louisiana, in case anybody's wondering. This is the neighborhood called Warsaw Marina. I'm trying to stay as alert as I can. I do have my machete here. Wow. Words can't even describe this.